Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. So for this tutorial we're gonna search any photo. So if you want to try it out on a free photo, you can easily go to tools on Google and then select Creative Commons license. These images you can use for your own self as well. Now go to this website remove.bg and upload your photo. Here you can see I've already uploaded the photo and it has already removed the background. Now you just need to download by hitting the download button and save it on your computer. Now coming to canva.com, here you can see you can directly upload by clicking the upload button. Choose the file from your computer and upload it on Canva. Note that I have taken a square ratio for this. So if you can see, I have already uploaded the photo that from remove.bg. Now go to elements and take a circular frame like I have done. Insert the circular frame, insert the photo inside the circular frame and you'll get like a circular shape. So now for the background, I'm choosing an orange color. You can choose any color that you like, which matches with your brand. And don't choose too bright colors or too dark colors. It should match with your photo as well. Now you can download the image from here, or what you can do is you can give a border by selecting a round shape. You can even give a different color to this, and like I have done. So as you can see, I have given a different color. um, you can even change the colors by clicking on the color panel. Now you can download it in any format as you like by hitting the download button. I hope you like this video. This was a short tutorial that I did, and yeah, stay tuned for more tutorials. In the next video I'll be teaching you how you can add a shadow effect in Canva. So stay tuned for that.